Yes. Yo, people, my name is DJ Pakorich, and you know how we do it. Or your rap, or your vibes, or your bass, or your bass. So welcome to my freestyle section. This is something extraordinary. I'm bringing to the fans out there, the rap lovers. Now, boys, now when you do rap one, this is something special for you. Now, today in the studios, I have one fine rapper. Charlie, he did form rough. So today we are here to do some typical rap. And your rap and we are here to rap to the glory of God. So today, if you are ready, let's invite the man Omar.
Yeah. Major my car, stop the boys. Brenner. Okay. Yo, listen. Fact to them, you know, your rapping chair that we did the same level. Punching you one, then I'm so deadly, to the rebel. My for God, the devil bank to quit and the chapel, and brag my own tempo. Your guy said to be old fashioned, they too square. You know, go for stay second. Bass or not, rapper no, listen, I miss punch and not, lines are not, fans are not, we feel them, flows are not, the killing beat, thousand of hours. Oh, one so porcupines, complaints on porcupines. They say the world always goes wrong. If I chop you do money, self, I'll suck you guys. Job you guys, share double penetration, top and quad down, industry, yellow one straight gala. Never keep your eye on me. Now pay the main share, junior Jan Kwame Zaza. Boss who's there 7580. Minya, I come last 5 Ghana. Malamia Morton Brock, so just see Woguma, what's this guy lava? Yan you keep your own, cause sometimes with the feel say we no go hard. Cause we they wrecked every day, when we jaculate, you know the same with the release bass. Tell your guy say he they get the push. Don't be say somebody be lazy man. And you impose a man charge it, bro, at the blaze. Only when I smoke this drugs from mama cannabis. Now I'm share one of mama cannabis. Barman to pop we have one sunny be incredible boy. What check me there ziggy at the go global. We also say you when I one boy and every day I was there disrespect. Joe Brenner. We be say rap. Young corner more town. Yo, listen, sit me down, let me tell you what is happening. They ask me, I know they care, my cablas is sharpening. There's no love when I'm trying to make a move, they stop me. My mama said to me, ain't no money, go for best D. If you don't want your day, your best D. Challenge you can who no be winner where you bias D. Pamela won't breast me, she said my close the best. Yeah, busy this niggas on the beach and the carrot game. The place make a flop. Wagging in yet, Baba God my boss, just some few years in the game. Yes, I make boys trust. I blind them off the beat, they are in the car down. Already got the picture, ask the painting. Put me in your top 5 button, track as a tintin. I blew your best in what they have to think and tell John, I will make it through this painting. They give black stars, they bring cap, we claim a trap, but they shit, they can't trap. If it's hardcore, I will do one time. So one shot talent, 8 minutes, can't time, so sad. They got the meat 2 years bone, yet you know bone, but still get a move painting, I stole like a old folk. Poverty is living at tango, cause I'm so broke. Let me see what I can do. That's how I lost my co-host. Yes, you pushed the way, but so many. I can't fully do my chin, say I don't move the book. Chemi rap at 7, I'm in chess and who rapper in the Nikita, 7 who say to me, a killer man, Mr. Sherry, for who you do. My favorite color, orange, so many take to my wife, snow, you know what, let me teach you. You can see I'm a tell and shall make you snub them. Brenner. Joe. Listen, share. Hey, had to crack. I'm a nut in the show. In a nutshell, I'm trying to tell you I'm the best rapper. I ain't got problem yakling me sharp as an idea, but don't compare knife to rock dada. Some men are mutemen, I'm a true rap, toto fefe, mumbeja my boost, we day cutter. I know go talk, you know me if I come true. It's a mask Kelly, you can call it your last supper. This last supper, make you mumbeja Sunday, you go fish, trust me, shut a spot banger. Hey, I swear you a single life sass. Can you let me go? Cause I heard she's a mad sucker. Oh my Brenner, put some respect on my name like an OG. Bedman say me a born stunner. Say me deserve a veteran. My ain't for long. So cool. Started rapping days of a can drama. Ready or not, anytime the Fuji. Boss go to where my million make it prove me. Them I'm good music. They thought I'm keep kudi fire. Look up around me, Jam Charlie with me. Snub them. Brenner. Yeah, I want to talk right now, bro.